Buongiorno, siamo qui alla nona puntata del nostro podcast Coffee Titanium. È arrivato il mio amico dalla Polonia che non ci vedevamo da molto tempo e quindi sono felice di fare questa puntata di Coffee Titanium con lui.
Hello, my friend.
Everything's okay?
Yeah, good, thank you.
How was the trip?
Fantastic, very nice. Flight was very good.
My name is Grzegorz Jerzy. I come from Poland. I am a clinician. I am an owner of the private clinic in Kraków. I am key opinion leader of IML in Poland.
Hello my friend, I'm so happy you come here. This is your first podcast or you do this in
Yes,
other?
this is my first in my life.
Oh, I'm so happy. The first is with me. We start, okay?
Yes.
The tradition here is to put outside our cap.
Okay.
Okay?